This is the most simplest and easiest method on how to protect your hair ends from splitting and breaking off while you are wearing your protective hairstyle. So what we're going to be using is aloe vera and your normal oil, your hair growth oil or your lightweight oil, whichever oil. After you have been able to remove the aloe from the aloe vera, the next thing is to get one strand of your hair that you have already made. I've already made this braid, so I'll get the aloe vera and then apply it to the ends of the hair like the way you're seeing me do, only at the ends of the hair. So you apply it to the ends of the hair, and then the next thing you'll be applying your oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or hair growth or any oil of your choice. Just choose one oil to use. After doing that, then you're going to be rolling this in. So we're tying this like we're making it like into a notch, so that we're going to roll it on the hair strand. So all the ends of the hair is going to be rolled on the hair strand, so that this would reduce breakage, this will protect your ends from splitting, this will protect your ends from breaking. If you use this method, I can assure you that by the time you are taking down your hair, there will be no split end. Why? Because all of the ends are tucked in. Yes, the ends of the hair are tucked inside the hair, so it protects the hair from breakage. So if you use this method, by the time you are taking down this hair, it will not break your hair, I can assure you that. So if you know you're going to be using this method to protect your hair, and you can comment below if you're going to be using this method. And remember, Auntie Shade remind us that beauty wey no get care, na dust go cover am. Don't forget to like this video, to drop a comment about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see me here again with hair care tips, skincare tips, and all the self-care tips you can think of. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.